Hello everyone. Wanted to give you guys a little quick video out here today, talking a bit about my model of the mind and beliefs and kind of how all of that just fits together, really fits into place, how it all just kind of works out basically. So it starts out, my model, with the subconscious mind. So you have the conscious mind, which is everything you can be aware of, okay? So when you can directly use it, basically. So your logic, when you think of a math problem, okay, what's 2 plus 2? You don't have to just get the answer from inspiration from that. You just know 2 plus 2 equals 4. Well, that same kind of thing when you learn different types of math when it comes to, like, just everything, basically, that you have just conscious access to. When you can just think, oh, I know that theorem, I know this, I know that. When you can just use your logic and you're trying to logically decide on the next move. Okay, if I move my queen here, then this will happen probably, and then this, and then this. So like when you're playing chess, whatever the case, when you're just using logic, that is the conscious mind. Below that, though, is the subconscious mind. The larger mind, that's the emotional mind. This is where all your beliefs, expectations, all the emotions are really stemming from. So my model really says, here's the subconscious mind, and that's where we're getting all this kind of stuff from. The subconscious mind is exposed to all our different emotions, all these different experiences in our life, and those create our beliefs, like what we believe is possible, what we believe is impossible, stuff like that. So if you have somebody in the first world who, like, just every 3 months, say, takes a plane ride somewhere or goes on vacation every year, they believe in just seeing different parts of the world, like that's easily possible. They don't have difficulty doing that. They feel like, it's just this or it's just that. It's no biggie. But some people who, like, just never have a plane ride, when they first go on it, they say, is it really possible, you could go from place to place? You show somebody the technology we have today compared to what we had 1,000 years ago, people would easily not believe that that was possible. Look at every different religion. Different religions say, believe this, believe that, all these kind of just beliefs. So people can believe basically anything, and their beliefs line up their expectations for how they're going to live their life, how their day's going to go, how their week's going to go. Everything just is based on their beliefs projected into the future through expectations. Now, that's a fully natural process, that your expectations are going to happen from your beliefs, and they're going to be projected into the future. There's not really a way to kind of stop that from happening, so you really have to get to the core of it, your beliefs. When you actually change your beliefs, those will change your expectations, those will change your reality, basically. And you're not talking about changing physical reality, like, oh, look at my telekinesis, whoa, 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 whoa. No, none of that kind of stuff. Just talking from a pure perspective of seeing the world differently and, like, having access to a mind that's more positive, that's going to look at the upside and going to see opportunity that you can't see, because a lot of opportunity we have is invisible, and we get it through our inspiration. Now, we don't get inspired by a mind that's just negative, that has all these beliefs and expectations that say that the world's crap and everything's going downhill and all that kind of stuff. So when you have that positive mindset, it really gives you a different kind of frame of reference and really changes that. And so the idea is basically your thoughts are going to lead to your beliefs are going to lead to your expectations lead to your actions lead to your results. That's basically the model. I mean, I'm not going to set that in stone or hammer it out, this exactly leads to this, but that's basically the model we're working with here. So when it comes to it, you know that your thoughts, what you think on the day-to-day, what you think about these various things, are going to lead you to encode different beliefs. Those beliefs are going to lead to those expectations leading to certain actions that you're going to take, okay? Because if you expect that something's impossible, you're not going to try to go after that. Versus if you expect that it's really possible or it's easy, then you're definitely going to go after it. That kind of stuff. And then that really leads to your actions, and of course your actions are what actually get you results. You can't just say, suddenly I have, whatever I wished for. I can't just, like, summon gold out of the ground with my hands or something. It's more like once you properly encode these beliefs, and then expectations, actions, your actions for actually doing things like going after the gold, in however capacity that is in your life, really lead to that result of actually getting the gold. You can't just pull it out of the ground with your mind of, suddenly I have all the gold in the world. Doesn't work like that, okay, unless you're like Magneto or something. So basically, that's the idea here of you want to encode different beliefs in this model. See, your subconscious mind, you cannot actually, like, feel it. You can feel it because it gives you your emotions. Some days, you know. But you can't actually have access to it like you can with your conscious mind. So if I want to use my conscious mind to solve a math problem, I'll be like, okay, let's use my conscious mind. Let's like, 7 times 8. I actually think, oh, that's 56. I can just use that kind of conscious mind to get that kind of answer. Or like 2 times 2. I can think, okay, 2 and 2, multiply together, that gives you 4. You can do that kind of stuff with your conscious mind. You can think about things logically with the conscious mind. Subconscious mind don't work that way, okay? It's based on more of a long-term encoding. When you encode more long-term experiences and beliefs, that really gives you those kind of expectations, actions, results. So you don't really want to start by trying to change your results, because you can't change your results without changing your actions, okay? And you can't change your actions effectively for very long without changing your expectations. If you just try to change your actions without changing those expectations, you're going to be like, trying to swim upstream, and you're not going to be making much progress, okay? You'll still probably be going downwards even though you're expending so much effort. Or you're going to start doing well and then slip up, okay? That's why the best spot to really change it is at your thoughts and your beliefs. When you change your thoughts, you can change your beliefs. You can effectively change your beliefs by draining the energy out of them and putting them into different beliefs. So if you believe the world is bad and evil and everything's going to go wrong, you can instead change that energy into a belief that everything's going to go right. You can affirm it. If you change your thoughts via that affirmation, every day in every way, I am getting better and better. You say it with enthusiasm. You believe it. You use the process in Think and Grow Rich. You can really begin to change those beliefs and really just change your reality. So that's basically the model of what I'm working with here and what a lot of this channel is about in terms of this educational content. That's not like gaming stuff. So I hope this was all helpful, and thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time with the next video.